Hello everyone, welcome to English class. Dear children, in previous week I explained about articles a and an, that those are indefinite articles. Today through this video I am going to explain next article, that is the, and that is known as definite article. So what is definite article? So as you know, the is the definite article which indicates a particular object, thing or person. So now let's see the uses of definite articles. So dear children, as you know, the definite article the indicates a particular thing, object or person. It can come before both singular and plural nouns. So the first rule, there are certain rules and you have to keep in mind whenever you are going to fill in the blanks with suitable articles where we can use the article. So the first rule is the article is used with those things which are only one of their own kind, or you can say the article is used with unique things. As you know, there is one earth, there is one universe, so that's why we can say the earth, the universe, the moon. So these things, these nouns are only one of their own kinds. That's why we will use the article with these universal things, or you can say these unique things. The next rule is the article is used with a superlative degree of adjectives. For example, Mumbai is the biggest city in India. In this sentence you can say biggest is superlative degree. Whenever you see any superlative degree of adjective, we use the article. Let's have some more examples of superlative degrees. In all these sentences you can see, in the first one, this is the best book of GK, so best is superlative degree, that's why we have used the article. In the next one, highest, again superlative degree, that's why we will use the highest. Next one is the tallest, the smallest, the wisest, the toughest. So in these all sentences you can see I have used the article because these all words are superlative degrees, that's why. So according to the rule, with superlative degree we always use the article. The article can be used with the names of newspaper and before the names of holy or great books. For example, the Hindustan Times, the Times of India. These are the names of newspaper. But according to the rule, we can use the article with the names of newspaper, with the names of holy or great books. As you know, Ramayana, the Ramayana, the Gita, the Bible, the Guru Granth Sahib. These all are the names of holy books or great books. That's why according to the rule we can use the article before these nouns. The article can be used before the names of rivers. For example, the Ganga. Before the names of mountain ranges. For example, the Himalayas. Before the names of oceans. For example, the Indian Ocean. Before the names of ships. Before the names of islands. Before the names of trains, directions, buildings. Buildings, you can say well-known buildings. So here are some examples of famous trains. For example, the Rajdhani Express. Examples of well-known buildings, we can say the Taj Mahal, the India Gate. The directions, for example, the north, the south. So according to the rule, we can use the articles before the names of rivers, mountains, trains, directions, buildings. Next rule is we can use the article before a common noun when that noun represents the whole class. For example, the rose is a beautiful flower. In this sentence, we are not talking about a particular rose. Here, the rose is representing the whole class. That's why we have used the article. For example, the cow is a useful animal. The cow is here representing the whole class. That's why we have used the article with cow. The article can be used with words like first, last, next, only. Just have a look on these examples. Who is sitting on the last bench? Madhu is the only daughter of her parents. In these two examples, you can see I have used the article before last and only. According to the rule, we can use the article before these words. So dear children, till now though I have explained about where we can use or the nouns which take the article. But there are certain nouns which don't take any articles. Which are those? So I am going to explain. So the first one is articles are not used before proper nouns. Proper nouns, as you know, proper nouns means it can be a name of a particular person, it can be a name of a particular place. So we never use any article before a proper noun. For example, Sachin Tendulkar is a great batsman and Delhi is the capital of India. In these two sentences, you can see I haven't used any article before Sachin Tendulkar and Delhi and India because all these three are proper nouns. So according to the rule, proper nouns never take any article. We never use any article before abstract nouns. Abstract nouns which we can't see but we can feel. It can be a name of any idea, it can be a name of a feeling. So it can be a name of any quality. So we never use any article before abstract nouns. For example, honesty is the best policy. Wisdom is admired everywhere. In these two examples, you can see honesty and wisdom. These two are examples of abstract nouns. That's why we haven't used any article. We never use any article before material nouns such as gold, silver, water. For example, water is essential for life or gold is a precious metal. So in these two examples, we haven't used any article because according to the rule, we never use any article before material nouns. Okay, so I hope the usage of the article is clear to you. Now let's do some practice. So the first one, did you read dash book I lent you? So in this blank, I'm going to fill did you read the book because I'm talking about the particular book which I gave you. If you will use did you read a book, that is wrong because the article means it is used with a particular thing. So I'm talking about that book which I gave you. That's why I will use the article. I watched a movie last night. So in this first blank, I will use a. I watched a movie. But whenever repetition of noun is there in the same sentence, whenever any same noun is used second time and third time, we use the article. Okay. So I watched a movie last night. The movie was really good. Third one, I want a sandwich for lunch today because I want a sandwich. Okay. And the fourth one, the sandwich I ate for lunch because I am talking about the same sandwich which I ate in lunch. That's why I am talking about a particular sandwich. That's why I will use the sandwich I ate for lunch was delicious. I wish I had a swimming pool at my house because I am not talking about any particular swimming pool. I wish I had a swimming pool. So, beta, these are the answers of this exercise. You can go through. Thank you so much. I hope it is clear to you. Take care and have a nice day.